Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a little weekend in my life. I am so excited to take you guys along on my weekend because we're doing fun stuff. Our moving boxes are coming today and so I'm gonna do a little packing this weekend. I have a really exciting unboxing for you guys and overall we're just gonna have a little fun weekend. We're actually gonna head out and go to a coffee shop, which I'm really excited about. My hometown, and since we kind of like don't really have much going on today, we figured we'd take a little drive over, go grab a coffee, say hi to my parents from a distance and whatnot. So I'm really excited about that. So we're gonna head out and do that. I'll give you guys like a little outfit. Really nice slow morning this morning. Still let us sleep until 9:45, which is absolutely insane. But we're gonna get ready and go and get a coffee, and then our moving box should be coming between 1:30 and 2:30. So hopefully we'll be home and whatnot. And then I think this evening we're gonna go for a little walk. So I'm really excited to take you guys along. I was actually supposed to work today, but we were overstaffed, so they gave me the day off. But I do still have to work 6 to 2 tomorrow. But I think tomorrow afternoon we'll probably just do some packing and stuff. So we're gonna head out, go get a coffee. Welcome to a little weekend in my life. We just got all of our moving boxes. We decided to go with Frog Box and they were super kind and they actually gifted us the boxes to move. And if you guys didn't know, Frog Box is basically just like a reusable moving box company. So you don't have to use like paper boxes, and they will drop them off at your house and they'll pick them up from the house you move into, which is awesome. So there's like different sizes and stuff. I'll leave a link to it down below for you guys to check out, but basically they will send you a different amount of boxes depending on the size of your house. So I think we have 50 boxes. They're just like literally taking over the spare room, and I'm gonna start packing some stuff up today, but those just got delivered, which is awesome. And then we move in a week, and then they'll pick them up a week after we move from our new house. So thank you so much, Frog Box, for gifting us those. That is literally amazing and just such a great way to like save the planet instead of using a bunch of paper boxes. But we got home to that being here. We're obviously home now. My office is literally bombarded with moving boxes right now, but I don't feel that great. But it's just because I don't like, when it gets hot out, I don't have much of an appetite, and I shouldn't have done this, but I had a coffee and like a cinnamon bun, and now it's like 2 and I haven't had anything since. So I think my stomach is like, what the fuck, girl? My stomach, it is currently 2:19. I don't know where the day has gone, and we're gonna probably go for a walk somewhere, and then it's our takeout night, so we're gonna get takeout. But I had a really exciting package show up. I literally am so excited to unbox it with you guys. So long story short, you guys know I had posted about wanting a designer bag, but I couldn't really bring myself to spend the money on it, especially with like moving and stuff, and I wanted like an occasion to celebrate with it, so it was gonna be like my permanent job. But then I was watching some YouTube unboxings and I didn't realize there's this website called DHgate, which basically just sells like, I don't know, it's like I don't really know what it is, like a wholesale website overseas. I don't really know, but they sell really accurate dupes. And so I thought to myself, maybe I should just get a dupe, see if I would use it, see if I'd like the bag, because obviously I don't want to go just buy a $3,000 Gucci bag and then like hate it and hate the size. So I ordered a dupe from DHgate and it finally got here. It only took about a month or so, which isn't too bad, and I think I paid like $30 for it. But we're gonna unbox it, see what it looks like. I'm really excited about it. So I just wanted to do like a little unboxing because I know a lot of you guys were like, I can't bring myself to spend the money on it. So I feel like having a dupe is a great option. Or even if you're like me and you're just like, I want to make sure I would use the bag and I like it first. So we're gonna unbox it. I just want to find somewhere to unbox it that isn't covered by boxes. Maybe our bedroom. One of those days where it's like awkwardly a little shady, so the lighting is just like absolute trash. But this is what it came in. So it came in this like bubble wrap. I'm so excited. I don't know why. I just think it's exciting getting packages. And then, oh wow, like it actually says Gucci on it. I mean, I don't know what the actual bags usually come in. I think they come in a box. Holy cow, this is big. So this is what the back looks like. I feel like it's really big, which I kind of like because it would fit my camera in it. And then this is the front. I don't know. I feel like it looks pretty accurate. I watched a lot of YouTube videos with people that had the real one and people who had a fake one from DHgate, which I will also link this down below. And a lot of people say they actually use the fake one on like an everyday basis just so it doesn't get scratched. Their real one doesn't get scratched up. I think it's really nice, honestly. It's always so like It's always so pleasing. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a little bit scratched up, but that's totally okay. And then you have to, there's like a little clasp that you have to push to open it. And then this is what it looks like when you open it. And then it has the strap. It has like a little zippered pocket in it. And then, like I said, it's pretty big. I mean, obviously I'm filming on my camera, so I can't show you guys me putting my camera in it, but I'm definitely gonna film like a what's in my bag once I kind of get used to it. But I'm actually really impressed with it. Honestly, I feel more comfortable having this because I would be like so scared having a designer bag, but I'm pretty impressed with it, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. I'll give it like a few days and I'll give you guys a review, but I actually really like it. Let's see what it looks like on. It's like on with my outfit. I feel like it's kind of an awkward length. Like I'd almost want it to come down a little farther, but I don't know if that's maybe just me. But I definitely like it. It is a little big though, which is kind of nice with vlogging. But I guess if I put it on like maybe just like this, it hangs a little lower. But I'm really impressed honestly with it for like $30. Amazing. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I obviously can't compare it to the real one, but I don't know. I think it looks kind of cute. Now look at you go, babe. First box. You did it. All books. Oh my gosh, it looks so empty. I know. Holy cow. Up some of the like pantry stuff, like our 8 boxes of hamburger helper. Packy. Oh hi. It was so cutie. What did you get done? Oh my gosh. So empty. Look at all this stuff Matt got done when I packing begins. Oh, it's really loud. Wow.
Look over there.
The packing begins. Look how, oh my gosh, it's so empty. You did a good job.
It's sad.
It is, but that's okay. And then we have this stuff. Wow. We had dinner. We watched a nice little sunset. Now Matt's gonna play video games. I think I'm gonna pack a bit just because I have some energy, but look how pretty the sunset is. I'm gonna get a drink though. I want to try that. Maybe this label is.
Can we talk about how pretty you are? Aww. How pretty you're.
He's just label. No, your labels. Cheers.
Cheers.
Me switch. Okay, let's do a little taste test before I put it in. So this is the...
That's what she said.
This is family owned wild blueberry cider. I can't get over how cute this label is. I don't know, I just think it's cute. You don't have one. That's why I had to order you one, because you don't have one. Mmm. I mean, if you ever had like a broadhead blueberry blonde, it tastes like that with a little cider, but I don't know about you guys, but I can only have like one cider because they're just so sweet that like I feel like I get like really like bloated off of it. But anyways, cheers. We're using this is my favorite brewmate. Matt used it yesterday, so I gotta say. So cheers. My lunch for work tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna pack up the coffee cart and stuff. So let's do a little productive packing with the drinky drink and let's get it. guys, it's actually a few days later. Oh, Stella just plopped down beside me, and I'm editing this vlog and I forgot to end it. I know it's a bit on the shorter side, but we were just so excited to start packing that I wanted to vlog my Saturday and my weekend for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Long moving vlogs are coming. I think not the next vlog you guys see, but the one after that will be the first moving vlog, which is so exciting. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what the highlight of your past weekend was. I'd love to know. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!